Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back to share another Pinterest inspired collaboration project I do with my friend Misha at ScrapsandThings1. Hi Misha. I'm going to post a link below this video to her channel so you can check her out, show her some YouTube love, and get inspired. So today actually was we were to do a mini junk journal or a mini folio. And it was due on Mother's Day, so I'm super excited. I'm finally caught up, and I'm just going to keep moving forward from there. So the one that I was completely and totally inspired by was a mini album folio tutorial done by Serena B. And this was actually on Pinterest. So here's the little Christmas folio that she did. And I'm just going to hit the back button here. But you could see it was on Pinterest. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a link below to her super easy and fun tutorial. But basically you take like a 6x12 sheet of double-sided paper, and then you score it, and then you accordion fold it, and you've got yourself a little folio. Super, super simple, and it's basically a Happy Mail folio that somebody can use later, or you can make a mini scrapbook album out of it. The only thing I did differently from hers was instead of leaving it open like an accordion, I just put a little bit of glue here and a little bit of glue at the bottom, and I glued it together to create a pocket up top. So that's pretty much the only difference. But like I said, I will post a link below so you can head on over and follow the easy tutorial. But this is how mine turned out. I think it's so super cute and tiny, and I fell in love with it when I saw the video, and I just had to give one a try. So basically it says, "You are my sunshine on a rainy day," and I just have some stickers. There's random stickers in my stash, and I used some of this ambrosia colored seam binding from my scrap cabin in Etsy. That's where I got this color. And I'll post a link below to her shop as well if you are interested in buying seam binding. I'm not affiliated with her in any way, but I know you guys like to know where I get things. And the cut apart here I got from the Garden Party from Pebbles paper collection. And this paper to make the folio, I just had this in my stash. It was a single sheet, so I just used it. But anyway, this is the front cover. And then it closes with some seam binding. And also, if you're interested in folio, there's another folio tutorial I watched from Lyric Lover Crafts. She does a really cute like mini folio like this as well. It's a little different, but I'm going to give hers a try when I'm finished with this video. So I'm going to post a link below to her folio tutorial. I thought was adorable as well. So you just open it up, and it has pockets here that you can tuck in things for Happy Mail. So this was too tall, so I cut it in half and just put one on each side and tucked it into the pocket here. And this has some flowers, thinking of you. This one has make things happen with a little border. And then I tucked in a bunch of different tags that she can use. And then up here I created another pocket in the center because mine's attached back here. And I tucked in some K & Company like sentiments, metal sentiments in there. And then this side I just tucked in some handmade embellishments. And then this last pocket here, this says create and has 2 flowers. And then this says be unique, be creative, be yourself. And then in this pocket I just tucked in a bunch of different images that I stamped out for whoever I gift this to, you know, that they can color in. So that's like just a little way to share some Happy Mail with a friend, and that's the back. And then you just tie it back up with seam binding. So I'm really glad, Misha, you suggested giving these a try. This little mini folio was just so much fun to make. I really, really enjoyed it. And if you give yours a try, let me know. I'd love to see how yours turned out. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm so happy to be caught up. I can't believe it. And I'll be back to share with you the happy birthday accordion album I kind of gave you a sneak peek of in the birthday mail I shared with you. So I'll be back to share that with you as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Happy crafting.